students, welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 Tutorials Lesson 9, Lysosomes and Vacuoles. Introduction. Lysosomes and vacuoles are vital organelles in cells. They help cells work properly by handling waste, digestion, and storage. This lesson covers what lysosomes and vacuoles are, their functions, and why they are important for cell health. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are small sacs surrounded by a membrane. They contain digestive enzymes that break down unwanted materials. These materials can include bacteria, damaged organelles, or other waste inside the cell. Lysosomes act like a cleanup crew. They ensure harmful or unneeded parts are removed from the cell. This process keeps the cell healthy and prevents damage. For example, if a cell has broken parts, lysosomes digest them to recycle useful components. This helps the cell stay efficient and functional. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are also membrane-bound sacs, but they hold fluid. In plant cells, vacuoles are large and can take up more than half the cell's space. In animal cells, vacuoles are smaller. Vacuoles have different roles depending on the cell type. In some animals and unicellular organisms, like amoebas, food vacuoles help digest food. This happens through a process called phagocytosis, where the cell engulfs food particles. In fresh water products, contractile vacuoles remove excess water. This maintains the right balance of ions and molecules inside the cell. In plant cells, vacuoles store nutrients, waste, or water. This storage helps the cell grow and stay balanced. Both lysosomes and vacuoles are essential for cell survival. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by digesting harmful materials. Vacuoles store substances or remove extra water to maintain balance. Without these organelles, cells could become cluttered or unbalanced, leading to damage. Understanding lysosomes and vacuoles shows how cells manage their internal environment. These organelles work together to keep cells healthy and functioning properly. Summary. Lysosomes and vacuoles play key roles in cells. Lysosomes digest waste and harmful materials to keep the cell clean. Vacuoles store substances or remove excess water to maintain balance. Both are crucial for a cell's health and survival. By learning about these organelles, we understand how cells stay organized and efficient. Review questions and answers. Question 1. What is the main function of lysosomes in a cell? Answer. Lysosomes break down unwanted materials, such as bacteria, damaged organelles, or waste, using digestive enzymes. They act like the cell's cleanup crew to keep it healthy. Question 2. How do vacuoles differ between plant and animal cells? Answer. In plant cells, vacuoles are large and take up more than half the cell's space, storing nutrients or water. In animal cells, vacuoles are smaller and may help with digestion or storage. Question 3. What is the role of contractile vacuoles in fresh water products? Answer. Contractile vacuoles pump out excess water from fresh water products to maintain the right balance of ions and molecules, keeping the cell healthy. Question 4. Why are lysosomes and vacuoles important for cell survival? Answer. Lysosomes digest harmful materials to keep the cell clean, while vacuoles store substances or remove excess water to maintain balance. Both prevent damage and help the cell function properly. Subscribe!